Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Yes, I'm sharing with you how I prepared my simple chocolatey smoothie for my Valentine, and I want you to try this. So these are the basic ingredients. I have my cocoa powder here. And of course, I'll list all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out. And then I have some peanut butter here. I also have some milk here. It's half tin milk. And then some frozen banana. So with my power blender, I'll just transfer all the ingredients into the blender and blend them. So in Ghana, Valentine is also chocolate day, so we celebrate with cocoa or chocolate. So you see, I'll just add some chocolate to it. Yeah, the lemon flavored chocolate. I'll add it to my smoothie for a great and love in the air. Yeah, so please don't go break your bank account thinking of what to do. Just prepare some smoothie for your loved ones and they're gonna love it. Trust me, this smoothie is the best. It's tasty and it is nutritious. Yeah. Just look at that. Creamy, sweet, colorful, so chocolatey, and tasty as well. Yeah, so I'm sure you're gonna try this for your loved ones and they're gonna love it. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos so you can see my Kings by Chocolates. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Love you. Bye bye.